This is Melvin Manamet, and I am performing the do activity. So for my do activity, I'm going to start off with a quick absorb activity that the students will be performing on the carpet or on the rug. My class is a kindergarten class age 5 and 6. The students are in a unit of same size and same shape. I'm going to breeze through quickly the absorb activity so that we can get through the do activity. So this is the beginning of the absorb activity. We are going to review words that we should know, like pattern block and figure.
What do you see?
Of course, after all these questions that are prompted, I'm going to ask the students so that they can be involved with the interactive whiteboard.
What do you see now? You see the shape traced 2 times on dotted paper. Are the 2 shapes the same size?
Now this program is very versatile where I can actually ask the students to come up and maybe trace it with an erase marker onto the paper. And also I can also introduce them the pattern blocks that they have at their tables that they're going to explore shortly in our do activity.
Yes, the 2 shapes are the same size. Do the 2 shapes match exactly? Yes, the 2 shapes match exactly.
Now, for prior knowledge, I might ask, what does match mean and what does exactly mean? Because once again, we're working with kindergarten students. So,
what do you see now?
I might ask students to ask each other what they see now, and or come up to the front and explain what do they see. They might point out the sides, the color, what it might look like in real life, like a stop sign.
You see a yellow pattern block. What shape was traced 2 times? The yellow pattern block shape was What can you say about the 2 traced figures? They are the same shape and the same size. Now you know 2 figures can be the same size and the same shape.
So now that they have the 2 sides and the same shape in their absorb activity, we're going to go to our do activity. Now the do activity is going to be set up with the classroom of groups of 4 to 5 students, and each center or group is going to have a bin of pattern blocks in the middle. Each bin is going to hold the pattern blocks that we see here, and their responsibility is to fill out, each student is going to have this worksheet in front of them. They're going to take a shape or a pattern block and trace the corresponding shapes. So they're going to find 4 different sizes of squares, 4 different triangles, and 4 different rhombuses. Within this activity, that we're also looking for if they can match it up to the exact, and also if they're picking out the correct shapes. After they complete 1 through 3, they're going to move through 4 and 5, where it gets a little bit more tricky. On this, they're going to simply take their knowledge that they have and transfer it to building this rectangle and this triangle on their own. So they're not tracing a rectangular pattern block, a 3D rectangular block on the paper. They're now using what they know to transfer that information and try their best to exactly draw the same shape maybe once or twice on number 4 and number 5. So the teacher is looking for whether or not they can transfer their information of the sides onto this paper, as well as if they can match it up properly, and also use the word sides and geometric terms that come along with this activity. Teachers would circulate this during this process and take notes on whether or not the students can or cannot perform these activities. And that is the end of our do activity. Thank you.